The Indian Army split the F-Insas program, which is Future Soldier program, in favor of two separate projects. One arming the modern infantry soldier with the best available assault rifle, carbine and LMG, and personal equipment, and the second component is the Battlefield Management Systems (BMS), which included the computer and communications. The future infantry soldier will have to fight in an all-weather environment, by day and night, varying terrain conditions and in conventional as well as unconventional warfare. Under the shadow of nuclear, biological and chemical or NBC threat. With the proliferation of digitization in all walks of life and electronic gadgets being part of daily usage, the soldier cannot be left behind. The increased use of electronic systems in the army, it is required to keep the soldier in the loop. The lethality and accuracy of current and future small arms and other weapons need active and passive measures. The soldier in the lead will have reliable tactical intelligence and needs to be shared. The individual soldier has the potential to function as a shooter, sensor, and communicator. The infantry soldier is every army's ultimate weapon, thus it necessitates the requirement of a soldier modernization program to match with the future operational environment. First, let's talk about some programs that are in progress by different countries globally for their future soldier. The US has identified 5 categories of modernization: lethality, mobility, command and control, survivability, and sustainment. This initiated the Land Warrior system, which is an integrated fighting system for individual infantry soldiers which provides the soldier enhanced tactical awareness, lethality and survivability. The systems integrated into Land Warrior are the weapon system, helmet, computer, digital and voice communications, positional and navigation system, protective clothing and individual equipment. The Land Warrior system will be deployed by infantry and combat support soldiers, including rangers, airborne, air assault, light and mechanized infantry soldiers. The US Army began operational assessment of the Land Warrior and Mounted Warrior systems in May 2006 with the Striker Brigade Combat Team (SBCT). The system is modular and tailored for the soldier's task and mission, thus the unit commander decides the components of Land Warrior that will be deployed for a mission. The two main Land Warrior configurations are for the soldier and the squad leader. All the subsystems provide different roles, like the fighting load vest is worn by the soldier for carrying and interfacing with the sensors and the computer. The electronic systems are connected and integrated via the 10-port hub installed on the body. Similarly, Land Warrior helmet provides ballistic protection and carries the main components of the soldier's communication systems. The soldier is armed with M4 carbine, .223 caliber, with a 30-round magazine which can fire by day and night. In June 2005, General Dynamics C4 Systems was awarded a contract to provide up to 500 Land Warrior, Mounted Warrior, Striker integration kits, which provides the mounted soldier voice, data and communication. The Indian Army had based their future infantry soldier as a system F-Insas on the Land Warrior concept. UK's Future Integrated Soldier Technology, FIST. In March 2003, the Britain Army awarded the contract for the FIST-2 Thales. FIST was an adjunct to the above-mentioned Future Soldier project launched by the US with similar aim. France's Phalan soldier system entered service in the French Army in February 2011. It includes an integrated equipment suite developed by SAGAM as part of an overall soldier modernization program. At the heart of the system is the tactical vest, an advanced combat webbing integrated with cabling harnesses, power packs and electronic units mounting an individual radio with integrated GPS, its processing unit, batteries and man-machine interface, and a miniature terminal that displays data. The addition of optronics equipment has considerably increased the effective firing range of FAMAS rifles even at night. Now let's talk about India's future infantry soldier as a system, F-Insas. F-Insas was conceptualized in April 2005 to integrate future military technologies with the personnel equipment of the future infantry soldier so that he has an edge over other competing armies. The area of focus of F-Insas was lethality, situational awareness, sustainability and protection. The future soldier was to be provided with effective sensor-shooter interface and integrated with his section, platoon and company. The weapons they will use includes assault rifle, close quarter battle CQB, carbine and light machine gun LMG. The weapons were to be multi-caliber individual weapon systems with the fourth caliber attached to a UBGL or under-barrel grenade launcher capable of firing air-bursting grenades. The weapons were to have night firing capability and a laser range finder to provide range and direction. When linked with the Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System (IRNSS), similar to GPS, would allow the soldier to call for indirect fire accurately. Bulletproof jackets (BPJ). Modular bulletproof jackets to provide protection to vital parts of the body. It will have add-on inserts to protect front, sides, back, throat and groin. The ballistics resistance of body armor is evaluated by the NIJ of America and STANAG of NATO standards. The problem is a trade-off between weight, protection and cost. Ballistic helmet. The ballistic helmet will be lightweight and comfortable, made of advanced materials to provide ballistics protection to neck and ears, as also facilitate the use of headset for communications radio. The helmet envisages two versions. The commander's version, which would have a provision for headphones, and the soldier's version would be without headphones. The modular individual load carrying equipment mile. This would include a harness, rucksacks and hydration pack. Survival kit. The survival kit comprises of the soldier's personal kit, elbow and knee pads, multi-purpose tool and first aid kit. Target acquisition subsystem. This includes night vision devices, weapon sights for day and night and handheld target acquisition device. Computer and communication subsystem shall comprise a soldier wearable computer, which is lightweight and battle rugged with a display and the software-defined IP-based radios for communication. It will also facilitate power management and integration of all subsystems of F-Insas. Reflex holographic sights and red dot laser pointer. The reflex holographic sights and the red dot laser designator pointer would be procured along with the CQB carbine and the assault rifle. Image intensifier based passive night sights. As per the roadmap of the Indian Army night vision philosophy, night operations capability was to be ready by 2015. Bharat Electronics Limited Optronic Devices Limited (BELOP) has started manufacturing Gen 2 image intensifiers in collaboration with and as a joint venture with BV Delft Netherlands in 1994. In 2012, the plant was upgraded to produce XD42 tubes with technical know-how from Photonis, France, and about 40,000 tubes was supplied. Separation of F-Insas in two projects. In January 2015, the Indian Army split the F-Insas program in favor of two separate projects. One arming the modern infantry soldier with the best available assault rifle, carbine and LMG, and personal equipment such as the helmet and BPV, and the second component is the Battlefield Management Systems (BMS), which included the computer and communications. However, due to high cost of BMS, which impinged on the acquisition of state-of-art small arms, the Indian Army foreclosed BMS in July 2018. Progress on truncated INSAS personal weapons. India had signed a 700 crore deal to buy 72,000 of these rifles from the US under fast-track procedures. The SIG 716 uses the more powerful 7.62 by 51 mm cartridge. There is also a joint venture between India and Russia to produce 700,000 AK-203 assault rifles in India, which will be modified for carbine role. LMG. The Indian Army has started its search for a new LMG with the caliber of 7.62 by 51 mm by sending a delegation during April-May 2019 to Bulgaria, Arsenal Company, Israel Weapon Industries, and South Korea S&T Motive Company. Bulletproof vests BPV. The shortage of bulletproof jackets for armed forces is being met through procurement of 1.86 lakh such jackets for nearly 639 crore. SMPP Private Limited, which has developed these indigenous BPV, claim that their BPJ can withstand hardcore steel ammunition fired from an AK-47 rifle. Bulletproof helmet. During early 2018, a Kanpur-based company, MKU Limited, which supplies military equipment to the UN and NATO, was awarded a contract worth 180 crore to supply nearly 1.6 lakh helmets. The company has delivered the first tranche on July 15, 2018. The helmet has a main protective layer of Kevlar and is designed to withstand the impact of 9mm ammunition fired from a short range. The helmet is also designed for soldier comfort, which can be integrated with communication and night vision devices. The Boot Anti-Mine Infantry (BAMI). Northern Command had procured 6,250 BAMI at a cost of 16.77 crore in 2018 under the Army Commander's Special Financial Power Fund from GK Engineering Industries Punjab, but it was reported during November 2019 that the payment has been withheld due to supplier faulty boots. We can say that finally Indian soldiers are getting what they need for years and also getting gear for modern warfare. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.